On your screen right now, you see a typical logical backup. You see that we have a table called posts, that it's based on InnoDB, and that it has over 10,000 records. Backups are a good thing because they allow us to restore our data when disaster strikes. Once our data becomes corrupt though, it's a whole another ball game. Thankfully, there are tools to help with that, and in this video we're looking into a data recovery solution called Stellar Repair for MySQL. This is how Stellar Repair for MySQL looks like once you open it up. You will see that the tool will instantly ask you to navigate to your corrupt data directory so that it could attempt data repair procedures. Navigate to your data directory, then click OK. Afterwards, you will be asked to select a database that you want to recover. By default, Stellar Repair will mark every database in the data directory, and you will also see that we have repaired data with this tool before, as we see a recovered script directory as well. Mark the databases you want to repair, then click Repair. Afterwards, glance at the left side and you will see that Stellar Repair will display databases in the table structure as well. Once you click on a table, you will see all of the data within that table and you will be able to explore it. Since this specific tool is a repair software for MySQL, you cannot really do much beyond skimming through data before saving it. Data can be saved in a variety of formats, including SQL script, CSV or Excel files, or even HTML files if you so desire. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. Select the destination path for your files, then click Save. The tool is likely to take some time to execute if you have a lot of databases or tables you are backing up, but since we're only backing up one, we should be fine. If you open the recovered files after the recovery procedure, you will see that the tool will create a database that the table was in, then switch to it, and then put the data there. If you want to import data into another database, you will need to remove those lines from the script. With that said, now you're ready to import data into PHPMyAdmin. By doing that, we'll both verify the syntax of the recovered file and see what the data actually recovers. Stellar also has the ability to recover lost or deleted data from Windows devices, and even though some functionality in Stellar Repair for MySQL may be improved, I feel like the tool provides a good enough experience to warrant giving it a spin. Try Stellar Repair for MySQL if you are repairing your data, and until next time.